Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie. Hi everyone! This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the 6-strand round braid. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put her hair into a ponytail and hid her elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We're going to go ahead and split this into 6 even sections. The first thing I'm going to do is split this ponytail in half. I'm going to go ahead and split this into 3 sections. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that they're even so that your braid looks even. Now that they're in 6 separate sections, we're going to go ahead and start with the right side first. So you're going to take this strand here, you're going to go ahead and go all the way under to the other side, which is the left side. So you're going to go ahead and bring it all the way on the other side, take it underneath every strand, and bring it on the left side, okay? And you're going to take this strand and you're going to go over, then under this strand, and then back over this strand here, and you'll have 3 strands right here again. Now that we started on the right side, now we're going to go on the left side. She's going to hold this one here, and we're going to start on the far left side strand, and this is going to go all the way under this side here. Take this and bypass every one of them to this right side. Okay, so now we're going to weave it. This is going to go over, then under, and then over, and right back on this side here. Let me just put my finger placements, just each strand. This one is going to go in the middle of the thumb and the finger, and each of those strands are going to go in between my fingers. Okay. Again, we'll have 6 total. Okay. Now, if you forgot what side you started, you can always remember by looking at your strands, and the lower one will be the one that's going to go all the way under to the other side. Okay, this is the highest one, this is the lowest one. So that means that it's this side's turn. So you're going to go take this all the way under, grab it, and bring it over to the left side. Okay, she can hold these 2. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this strand, go over, under, just weave it, and then back over to go on the right side. Okay? Again, if you forgot what side you started, the lowest one is going to be the one that's going to go under every strand. So this is the lowest one. It's going to go all the way over. So she's going to hold these 2. Take this, go all the way under, bypass all those strands, bring it over to the right side. Now you're going to go ahead and weave it. This is going to go over, under, and then back over this strand here to go and bring it back over on the left side. And that's all there is to it. Your finger placements will be, this will be between the thumb and finger, and this strand will be in between those fingers here, like this. Okay? Again, this is how you would see it. tighten it up. And then the lowest part, again, is this side. This is going to go all the way over to the left side. You can take your left hand, go underneath this ponytail and grab this strand here and bring it all the way to the left side. And she can hold these two while you're working on the left side. On the right side, going over to the left side, this is going to go over, under, then over here, and it's going to go over on this side. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Just repeat the same steps over again. This one here. Just go over, under, then back over on the side to go on the left side. Soon you won't, if you're really good at it, you won't need her to help you out. This takes a lot of practice, but I know you guys can get it. And go a little faster for time purposes only. I'm going to stop right here and put an elastic band over it. The more you do it, the more you'll understand how it works, and your finger dexterity and everything will be perfect. It took me a long time to do it myself. Take this and hide it with her hair using this topsy tail. And there you have it. All the way around. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let's have success and find our videos or parts you might be able to improve on. Also get the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, go over there. We love you guys. Till next time,
learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. Have a great week and God bless.